Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and low miles. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.